Welcome to our guide on setting up Scotiabank online banking. Today, we will explore the many benefits of managing your banking online, such as convenience and enhanced security. Let's begin with the secure login process. First, you'll need to create your user ID and password. Make sure to choose a strong password for maximum security. For added security, Scotiabank offers two-factor authentication. This means you'll receive a code on your phone every time you log in, providing an extra layer of protection. Once logged in, you'll see the online banking dashboard. Here, you can easily navigate through your accounts and access key features such as balance checking and transaction details. To stay informed about your transactions, let's set up account alerts. You can customize notifications for transactions and payments to suit your preferences. Next, we will update your profile. It's essential to keep your personal information accurate and to reset your security questions periodically. Managing your accounts is straightforward. You can view your balances and transaction histories at a glance to keep track of your finances easily. Scotiabank Online Banking also allows you to pay bills and make transfers effortlessly. These features help you save time and manage your finances efficiently. Don't forget, you can access your banking on the go using Scotiabank's mobile app. This flexibility allows you to manage your banking anytime, anywhere. In conclusion, setting up Scotiabank Online Banking is a simple process that offers numerous benefits. We encourage you to take advantage of these services for streamlined banking.